Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be using this adorably cute pink LED dome lamp, and I'm going to be doing swatches on the Modelones Fashion Color set. Both of these things I purchased during the Amazon Black Friday sale. So with that said, I'm not sponsored by any of these companies, but hopefully, maybe, just maybe, that'll change and I'll be able to showcase many other things for you. So I bought this lamp because I really needed a lamp. Let me show you why. I'm going to move this out the way. I do have a lamp. It is a much older, and I mean old. It's a dinosaur. I'm going to show you. I have what was called a regular, just a UV light or lamp. And this is what it looks like. I'm showing it to you from the upside down view so that you could see. The UV lamps in that time had the light bulbs inside. Now the light bulbs would in time with wear go out, and sometimes you wouldn't know that they would go out because all you're seeing is the lamp lit up when you put something in it and you think it's working. Next thing you know, your products aren't curing. So these did go out, not all of them, maybe one or two, and I did replace them, and the lamp does work. But the other reason why I needed a lamp so terribly is because I want you to see the size of this thing. I can't even fit it in the whole frame, so I'm just gonna have to give you like a moving view of it. Okay, so here we go. Here is what I showed you. I've got it right side up now. So here goes the lamp, and it's going, and it's going, and it's going. And it's going, and I mean this thing literally takes up almost half of my table space. Okay, and don't mind my voice, it does that. If I get happy, cute, I'm singing, whatever, it squeaks. So this is the gigantuous lamp that I needed to get off of my table. That's a 48 watt lamp. And replace it with this tiny, sleek, adorable 48 watt lamp. So there it is. Ta-da! Okay, so I took the liberty when I paused to plug it in, and I'm just going to go back over a few of the features that I did in the haul in case some of you guys missed it. So the dome shape, I really love the LED display. It's very luminous, has the 10-second, 30-second, and 60-second timer. It does have a 99-second low heat mode, so that's something to prevent heat spikes. And it has the auto sensor, which a lot of them are coming with right now, which I really like. You put your hand in and the light activates and your time starts. And then you take your hand out, it deactivates, and then the time stops. The other thing about this lamp is this base is detachable. I do not have room to do it in the entire frame, so and I don't need to take it apart, but I'm just showing you. It's a magnetic footing, and there's like 4 little prongs, and it just nestles right up into it, and then you put it back together. So overall, this lamp is pretty streamlined, and it is very lightweight, unlike that dinosaur that I had. That dinosaur, I think, probably weighed about 4 or 5 pounds. So with all that said, let's get started on the swatches. Okay guys, so sorry about this interruption. Unfortunately, I think I'm experiencing my second woe as a starting YouTuber, and I thought it was recording when I did these color swatches, but I looked up and saw that the phone had closed out and discovered that my memory was full and had to take care of that. So I've done these colors so far, and let me just give you the names of them. The white is called Cream. The yellow, you're not going to be able to see it because it's written in white against that yellow background, but it's called Exotic Birds. And never mind my dogs in the background, they're playing. This nude color is called, hopefully it focuses, yep, Classical. The orange color is called Passionate. And the pink color is called Strawberry Ice Cream. Give me a second, my dog is in here playing. He's such a good boy. Okay guys, so oh my God. I can't tell you what my dogs were doing. I cannot tell you what it was that they were doing. I have a boy dog and I have a girl dog, and my boy dog is neutered. My girl dog is not spayed. So there, you can use your own imagination. They're very well behaved though. They don't tear up things in the house, and he especially is very, very well trained. So I'm going to be doing a group of them like this and curing them for 60 seconds. And while those are curing, I'm going to get started on the next set. So this is a hot pink. I love the name of this one. This is called, I'm trying to let it focus so you can see for yourself. There we go. Isn't that a cute name? Such a cute name. So yeah, like I was saying, the colors are very, they're very creamy and very smooth. They're very well pigmented. And I know I'm doing this out of frame. I don't know why. But there's the pink. I'll set that off to the side. Take those out. Here is the red. This red is called, that's a cute name too, Midsummer Rose. So I'm giving you guys the names too, so that you would know in case you're interested in ordering the particular colors. Oh, I gotta be mindful about getting in the frame, right? So that'll be like my third NailTuber learning. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So there's red. And I think I did say that I'm doing this just for purposes of seeing the consistency, making sure that all the colors have matches, no colors are dried out. And I have never used model ones before, so I wanted to do that as well. And this is, oh, I'm sorry. Did I show you guys this one? This aqua color is called Emerald Lake. Doesn't that sound like a movie, like Emerald Lake? The gray is called, that's cute too, Dancing Cinderella. That's really cute. I love their names. So yeah, my oldest dog is the second of 3 that I've been a owner of. My very first oldest dog passed away 2017, so that'll be now 3 years ago. And they both took up like professional, not like I'm not saying that PetSmart isn't professional. I mean they oh well, let me just say it, they took up canine training, so they were always pretty sharp with their commands. I didn't have to keep repeating myself to them. It was just done out of interest, because I've always admired like dogs that were just like very well and precisely trained. And actually it came as a convenience, because there were some guys that I became familiar with who trained dogs, and that's how I got into it, among some other reasons. So there's the blue. Cute. And this blue is called Macaron or Macaron blue. And we'll cure those 5. I was kind of doing 5 at a time, but at some point it's going to be done more than 5, right? Because there's 16 colors. And then this lovely, lovely purple is called Amethyst. And of course, you know, just like anyone else who's gotten started, as time goes on, I'm becoming less and less nervous. And as I get more comfortable doing this, you'll hear story times from me as well. I love, don't you guys? I love when YouTubers that have hobbies like this, or things that they enjoy doing that they share with their viewers, and then they do story times, wow, you know, during their videos. I just love it because some of the stories are just so intriguing. Some of the stories are so fascinating, hilarious. Some of them are even dramatic. So I just love listening to story time. So I'll have plenty of story times for you. So now we're going to get into the two glitters, and this was the light pink glitter, and I don't know if it's going to show up, but it is called Ice Bar. Isn't that just twinkly? It's just like Tinkerbell pink. Tinkerbell cute. And this is more of a translucent, or like a clear pink. So it's more about the glitters as opposed to the primary color. It's cute. So this would be a cute overlay. So cute. So sparkly. Look at that sparkle. Diamonds in the sky. Okay. I'll keep my primary job. And this is silver glitter. This color is called, and it's not going to show up, I don't think. We'll try. Nope. I can barely see it. It is called, well, actually, I remember it. It's called glitter silver. The only thing that kind of threw me about this glitter silver color is it has like a little bit of a yellowy, maybe like a greenish yellow, kind of like a tinge to it. Oh, but well, you could see it. There it is. You could see it around the outside edges, right? Like a highlighter green. And there's an oops. I ain't nervous like that anymore though. And then we're going to get into the, you know what, I'm going to do these two last. So now we're going to get into black. And the thing about black is, you guys, black, you have to make sure you're very attentive to whether or not black has cured properly. Okay, because black is black. All right, light doesn't go through it very easily. So you have to make certain that you use black, whatever manufacturer, according to the way they recommended, because they know how much pigmentation is in it. But the thing about it too is what do they call photo? The manufacturer knows what percentile of photo interactive compilation makes up their color, so they know. So if you're not curing like they say you should cure, if they say 60 seconds, don't just do 30, because then it's not going to cure. So stick by your manufacturer's suggested instructions. All right. So while that's in there, we're going to get into the two color changing. The pink is called, guess it's not going to, it's called Blooming. The bottle is just really pretty, right? So girly. And it comes out to be more of a fuchsia color. And then the blue is called Sparkling Sea. That's a pretty blue too. Like sometimes we forget where the eye of the camera is, right? All right, so we're gonna get these out. These that have been cured, we're gonna get these out. And I'm gonna put them together next to their bottles in a second as soon as everything is done. But let's check out these color changing. Blooming and Sparkling Sea. Over the Blooming Sparkling Sea. So I'm really excited about this color changing. So when it comes out, it should be like maybe clear, because I put it on a clear swatch. Yeah, maybe it should be clear or possibly white. And then when it cools back off, it'll go back to its original or normal color, I think. So countdown. Okay, there we go. So here we're going to take the two color changing out of the lamp. Oh, and look at how they look on clear. They look really nice on clear swatches. I think they'd be different if I had the opaque nail tips or the nail swatch sticks that were of an opaque color like this. I think it would look different. I think this white, this natural nude or white background would show through it a lot more. So you could see the blue becoming more and more solid, and you could see the pink starting to set in. So we're going to leave those off to the side to see how much darker they get, because I believe they're supposed to get darker. So there, if I put that in the background, yeah, it would look different. So it looks really pretty on the clear swatch. Okay, so we're going to put those aside, and I'm going to start lining up the ones that are done. Be right back. Okay guys, so here's the final look of the swatches, and as you could see, like I said, the colors actually literally match the color of the bottles. How cool is that? I think that's pretty clever. Model 1's good job to you. I really like that. You don't even need swatches, but like I said, I did it just for the fun of it. I did it for practice. I did it to check the polish. I like your polish. It's very smooth. It's very creamy. I love it. Look at the color changing ones. They went back to their original colors, and I've actually watched them go through each phase of the change until it got back to this original color. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did making it, and until next time.